Join me, let's make banga jellof rice. This is palm fruits. This is smoked fish. This is crayfish, onion, fresh pepper, maggi, benny. This is scent leaf. You know you cannot make this food without scent leaf. It will not make sense. And after which you fry plantain and use it to mellow it down. Okay, so get ready with me. Let's make a delicious banga jellof rice. This is what I've been craving for since. I've been craving this banga jellof rice. But you know that all this time I have been too busy. But this day I said I will make out time and prepare it myself. So get ready with me. Let's go. So at this point, I have extracted the juice from the palm fruit, and here I added my crayfish and pounded pepper. I added benny. Now it is time to add the nut cubes, the seasoning cubes. You know, after adding the seasoning cubes, I added onions. I have to add enough onions to this, okay? So after adding the onion, I have to add the smoked fish after removing bones. You know, you have to remove bones because my children will have to eat the food. So in order for them not to be choked, or I have to remove the bones. I added salt, you can see it. I now put the rice. Remember that you have to parboil this rice, so before now, parboil it and set it aside. After adding all the ingredients, you pour in your rice, you stir it and test it for salt, you know, or other ingredients. Here I tested and I noticed that the salt wasn't okay. I added a little bit of more salt. So after that, I have to, you know, stir it again. After stirring it, I covered the pot so that the food will boil. And meanwhile, I broke the cover of this pot yesterday, so I used the bigger one. You know, I had a dream about this and it later happened. So at this point, this rice is done already. So I added onions. I like to add onions whenever I'm cooking jollof rice. I like to add onions when I'm done, so that the onions will be half done and the vegetable, that is the scent leaf, I have to turn it. And at this point, you shouldn't allow the water to dry completely in the rice, because me, I like a little quantity of water to remain in it. And right now, our banga jollof rice is ready. So it's time to fry the plantain, because you know that eating it without plantain or salad, it's no go make sense. So at this point, I added my oil. So I have to add some salt, a little quantity of salt, and turn it with the plantain. And here I am adding my plantain. I hope you enjoy the process, okay? So will you try it? Tell us on the comment section. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to share this video and subscribe to my channel and follow my page. And if you love me, share my video, okay? I love you guys. Bye. See you.